Have you seen those ads? Test at home for just $45 and get TRT. Sounds like you'll melt away belly fat and get ripped abs overnight. But is that really how it works? TRT stands for Testosterone Replacement Therapy. It's when doctors give you medical doses of testosterone, but only if your levels are truly low. It's not the same as a steroid cycle for bodybuilding. Those massive guys you see at the gym, they're not just on testosterone. They're stacking multiple drugs, clomiphene to boost their own hormone production, growth hormone to speed up recovery and muscle growth, and other anabolic compounds. That's why they blow up so fast. Faster than some people who actually train hard. TRT isn't going to turn you into a bodybuilder. If you have low testosterone, it can help restore energy, mood, and libido, and make it easier to keep the muscle you already have. But it's not magic. Here's the catch. When you take testosterone from outside, your body stops making its own. If you quit suddenly, you might feel worse than before you started. It's kind of like hormone therapy for women after menopause. Doctors used to think it was always a good idea. Then studies showed the risks. Estrogen therapy, higher risk of certain cancers and blood clots. Progesterone, higher risk of other diseases. Now it's only used when truly needed. Lately, fears about TRT have been calming down. Recent large studies found no difference in major heart problems between men on TRT and those on placebo. Guidelines are being updated to clear up the misunderstandings. But TRT is not for everyone. You shouldn't take it if you have prostate or breast cancer, very high red blood cell counts, severe heart failure, extremely high cholesterol, or significant prostate enlargement. TRT doesn't raise prostate cancer risk overall, but it's still off limits for active cases. If cancer treatment is complete, it can sometimes be used with close monitoring. Here's another fact. Men start losing testosterone after age 30. By their 50s to 70s, levels can drop 30–50% compared to their younger years. TRT can help relieve low T symptoms, but it comes with possible side effects. There are injections, oral pills, and gels. Injections every 2–3 weeks keep levels up, but can cause hormone spikes and tenderness. Oral pills are liver-friendly and effective, but need to be taken twice a day with fatty food and can cause digestive issues. Gels are more steady and may have less impact on the body's hormone feedback loop. Nasal gels avoid skin transfer risks altogether. One study from the University of Miami found nasal gel caused the least change in testicle size and kept internal testosterone stable. A big deal for men who still want fertility. Some studies even suggest TRT may lower overall death risk, but others show it could raise the risk of heart attack or stroke in certain older men. Bottom line, TRT can be life-changing for true deficiency, but it's not a shortcut to a perfect body. Know the risks, and if you start, commit to monitoring and doing it safely.